Welcome back to the Lifeline HMS tutorial series. In this video, we'll walk through the Pharmacist Configuration Module, covering how to add a pharmacist, edit their informations, and configure schedules and settings. Log into your Lifeline HMS account using your credentials. If you're new to Lifeline HMS, you can easily create a new account by following the sign-up process. Once you log in, you'll land on the dashboard. From here, go to the Users section in the left-hand menu and click on Pharmacist to continue. To edit an existing pharmacist, click on their name from the list. From here, you can update basic information, address details, and educational details. To update or change the basic information, click on Edit. After making all the changes, click Update. New information will be updated. To add new address, click on Add New and fill out the required information and click Submit to update information in the system. Below the profile details, you'll find the certification section. To add certification, click Add New Certification. A form will appear on the screen. Start by entering the certification name, followed by the issuing organization. Then select the issue date and expiry date from the calendar. Once all the details are filled in, click Submit. The certification will be added to the list below. You can repeat the same steps to add more certifications. Next, to add a degree, click on Add New Degree and a form will appear. Enter the degree name, such as Bachelor of Pharmacy or Doctor of Pharmacy. Then select the degree level, enter the institution name, and choose the graduation date. After filling in all the required fields, click Submit. The degree will now appear in Degree List. Add a new degree by following the same process. Now let's move to the Configuration section. In the General Configuration tab, you can update details like joining date, salary, department, and designation. In addition, you can set the pharmacist's location, which defines where they are primarily assigned to work. For example, a specific branch or pharmacy unit. You'll also find the Manage Department option. This allows you to assign the pharmacist as a manager for one or more departments. Next, open the Schedule tab. Here you can view the pharmacist's assigned shifts and working hours. You can also add a new shift by clicking on Add Shift. Then select the shift and weekdays. Click Submit and new shift will be added to schedule. To add a new pharmacist, click Add New Pharmacist at the top right. This opens a structured form where you'll enter the pharmacist's personal, professional, salary, and address details. In the Personal Information section, enter the pharmacist's first and last name, email address, phone number, ID number, gender, and date of birth. These details help identify the pharmacist within the system. Next, in the Professional Details section, select the pharmacist's department, designation, and joining date. Assign the shift by choosing Shift, and then select Weekdays. After that, complete the Salary and Payroll section by entering the pharmacist's salary details. Next, fill in the Address Details section. Enter the pharmacist's current address, including city, state, postal code, and country. You can update or add a new address later if their location changes. Once all sections are completed, click Submit. The pharmacist will now appear in the pharmacist list. And that's how you add, edit, and configure pharmacists in Lifeline HMS. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more Lifeline HMS tutorials.